Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Blessed me there again, manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, my people. So I'm going to present some videos to you that have been talked about on social media. My people, brace yourself, because some of these situations that I saw and heard in these videos have me thinking. Alright, so first up, I want you to listen carefully to some words that a person said in a video that I'm about to present to you. In the video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said barbering tools and equipments are missing. The video recorded inside of a building or inside of a place. Some words when me hear the person said in the video, it had me thinking, you know, when me listen to the video and me look at the video, me start to wonder certain things like, what's going on within the world? Why? At one point me say, whoa, my people, listen carefully. Observe. Tell me what you think.
Bless everybody. This morning, professional barber, boys in Red Hill, Maloney. We came here this morning and saw that all the barbering tools and equipment are missing. Compressors, about 20 machines, different types of machines missing. So we're telling all barbers, persons will be coming to sell machines and compressors and even cordless compressors. Please be on the lookout. Call me at 720 as soon as possible. God bless everybody.
So, my hope say that video can bring some form of awareness, because you don't know me, Dancehall skilla, you know, me talk about things that have different locations out there in the world. As I say, I know that me have viewers and subscribers many places out there in the world. Is it? Big up and respect to each and everyone who tune into Dancehall skilla. Is it? Now, I don't know where that video will be recorded, but if so is the case, I hope that the video can bring some form of awareness. That situation is set away right there. Yeah, they set away. Eh? Barbering tools and equipments. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. In the next video that I'm going to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said or pointed out that a building had been broken into. In the video, you can hear the person basically talking about the situation and pointing out certain things. It's set away. Anyways, my people, look at this video, listen, and tell me what you think. Observe. Oh, and viewer discretion is advised for this video.
This morning I wake up and I'm cleaning out, and I realize in front of my house, in front of dirty. As I say, I was sweeping, and then I look up and then I realize somebody came and they pong here so and knock out my lock and break my building. They could see what they use to pong it and break it out. They hop over the wall here. You see all the footprint and every mark, and what they use for break your window. So which means the person came in front, because let me show you. This is a part. This is a hinge. See, they break there first because they expect they could have get in there. This is where they walk. This is where they walk with it. They walk here. I don't know if they go down by the garden and walk around here. But this is their entrance. They come here. And they go up there and they break in my building. It have to be yesterday when I went to work. So which made my stuff walk all the way over here. Here's where they came with my stuff.
So, my people, I tell you this. Alright, so my people, I'm only going by words that I heard the person said in the video, and you know, if someone find themselves in a situation like that, I can understand. Well, Johnny, they step away. See, look at the door. You know, look at certain things that have been damaged. I don't know. Anyway, so that's another video that is being talked about on social media. Alright, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a person kicking part of a building repeatedly and in an aggressive way. The reason why I said part of a building is because I'm not sure what exactly the person was kicking repeatedly. Yes, I mean, even though I have an idea. And the video had been posted different places on social media with some allegations as to what the person might have been trying to do. In my point of view, the video didn't show certain things for me to reach a certain conclusion, and I did not get confirmed information for me to reach a certain conclusion either, to say, oh, it's about what or what. You understand me? Me look at the video, me look at the person's hands, who me can see in the video, me look at whatsoever was over or on the person's head certain ways, and me I try to notice certain things which don't give me enough evidence and proof for me to reach a certain conclusion. But the video is being talked about on social media. The video shows a person kicking part of a building, and you can hear someone yelling in the video. That's in my point of view. You see me? I don't know where the video will be recorded, and one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is because it's being talked about on social media, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Did not get I did not get any confirmed information to determine what the situation was exactly about. But the video is being talked about on social media. See, yeah, so be careful sometimes when you see some videos posted on social media with certain allegations. Be careful, alright? Anyways, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. So the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when persons who are considered to be thieves or robbers got out of a motor vehicle and went inside of a motor vehicle that I assume a person was checking on. The video shows when someone was standing close to a motor vehicle and a front part of the motor vehicle was open while there was lights at the front of the motor vehicle, and then at some point a motor vehicle arrived within the area and the persons who are considered to be thieves or robbers got out of the motor vehicle, and then the person was standing close to the other motor vehicle moved away from them and that motor vehicle, and then those persons who are considered to be thieves or robbers got inside of the motor vehicle that the person was standing close to. In my point of view, there was an attempt to drive the motor vehicle away. In the video, you can hear a person talking loud, and I assume that the person was trying to draw some form of attention towards the situation. And then at some point, those persons who are considered to be thieves or robbers got out of the motor vehicle, and then something else happened, and then they ran away from where the motor vehicle was at, or from that spot, or so on. My people, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video be recorded or where the incident happened. And I think that the situation shows an attempt to steal a motor vehicle. Yeah, I think that those persons there was an attempt to steal a motor vehicle that I can see in the video. So I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe and tell me what you think about this situation. I want to take notice of what going on, people. Notice a person who they're close to a motor vehicle. Look here, look. Yes, sir. I notice something down. Yo, what did... In my point of view, my people, say, I know that there are persons who, let me say me can give the best advice. I understand that situation can be scary and it can set away. But I think that the person should have moved to safety when it comes down to a situation like that. It set away. You know what I mean? You may never know what persons who are considered to be thieves or robbers might have on them. You know what I mean? And by the way, I did not get any confirmed information to determine if any of those persons who are considered to be thieves or robbers had any form of weapon. And so I say, even though a part of the video shows something that looks a certain type of way, but I don't have confirmed information to determine that. And some things obviously happen in that video. I think that the person somewhat was in danger based on what me see with people, because the person at one point was standing in front of the motor vehicle while those persons who are considered to be thieves or robbers was inside of the motor vehicle. See, and the lights was on and so forth. You see? And then the person somewhat moved closer to... Look, we can understand, you know, we can understand when it comes down to a situation like that, if, you know, certain things, but at the same time, think about your head first. Because once you have life, there's always hope, and you can always achieve back certain things once you have life, or anything, I should say. It's set away. But I tell my people, I don't want to say nothing and sound certain ways, but I just think about safety first. You understand? Safety first, and that me I think about. That right there, so that look away right there. People for work for what they want. Work for what you want, I tell you. It's set away. Yeah, just to make it very clear, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video had recorded, but the video had been posted on social media and it's been talked about on social media. Let me know what you think, you know. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?